This is The Drive with Joed Almeida. IndigoMusic.com.
It's been a learning process. The last few minutes or the last hour with Tallulah De Silva. There's so much that I've learned of, and there's so much that makes me feel I need to do so much more. There's so much more to do here in the state of Goa as well. Tallulah, thank you so much for taking the time out. I know you're an extremely busy person, and you stay busy by, you gave us the answer.
Not wasting your time.
Not waste
my time.
Yeah, so I must confess I do waste my time every now and then. But yeah, coming back to you with the monsoons now as well, winding up, is there a message that you'd like to give our listeners as well?
Yeah, don't stay at home, step outside, because I think rains are a fantastic time to explore, look at life emerging. So go to the forest, go to various waterfalls that are active, a lot of organizations doing these visits, but be responsible. And June, July is a great time to also witness this bioluminescence that happens.
Yeah, you were talking about bioluminescence. This is in Mole, right?
Mole, yes. And you'll see on social media a lot of, there's one particular organization or entity that organizes these trips to see bioluminescence. So watch out for it. You can also visit different forests, like I said, waterfalls, even your backyard. Go to the plateaus, you can collect kuddu kechi bhaji and taikido. These are the seasonal vegetables. And you see a lot of wildflowers growing on plateaus, carnivorous plants. I don't know whether you've heard of that.
Yeah, I heard of it, but I'm sure you will. There's so much more to learn from you, right? Talking about the monsoons as well, that's her message to all of us. Don't be like me. Take an afternoon nap because it's pouring outside and you love your afternoon naps, but get out there. There's so much to learn, there's so much to do, there's so much to discover here in the state of Goa. We don't need to go far, it's all in our very own backyard, right? But like she also said, stay safe while you're going to these springs, and I would suggest also the government's been saying also don't jump into places that are unknown, which you don't know. But yeah, do visit these springs and waterfalls. There's so much to discover here in the state of Goa. I think everyone would agree, Goa is extremely beautiful during the monsoons, right?
Yes, it's absolutely beautiful. Even the beach is beautiful. There are certain locations and beaches which, get full of shells that are thrown by the waves in the monsoons at different periods. So really mind-blowing experience here.
Absolutely. It's been a mind-blowing experience just hanging out with you here in the studio. I'm going to just put it out there. You need to come more often to the studio. Whenever you feel like it, you're always welcome.
I will. You have a very good energy, Joy.
You've got more energy than me. For all that you've been doing, all that you do on a regular basis, I am lazy. I'm the complete opposite. Only when I'm on the radio, the energy tends to come out, yeah. But it's been an absolute pleasure speaking with you. I think, winding up a final message for our listeners. I know you spoke about the monsoons in general, but generally what Tallulah De Silva would like to say to not Goans in general, but to people living here as well in the state of Goa, how they can.
Yeah, my message is one is it's not about loving Goa or loving the earth and the planet. I think we have a responsibility to fulfill, and that is to nurture the planet as it has nurtured us. So do your bit. Goa is at the brink of desertification, and we are looking at environmental degradation all across the world. A lot of evidences of climate change. Now is the time to take action, and all of us can be responsible. Do your bit. You don't have to do that big, large, action, but even a small action counts. So whatever you can do to protect, save our planet, I think the time is now.
Well, you heard Tallulah, the time is now. So for that, of course, I would recommend you actually get in touch with Tallulah. Look her up on Facebook. It's Tallulah with a double L and then a single L. Tallulah De Silva. Like I said, she's an architect by profession, working with mud architecture. She was recently shortlisted among 80 women architects here in Goa, in India, at the India Art Design Architecture Biennale. Part of so many NGOs and so much literally that she is a part of. I would like to actually thank you on behalf of my team as well, for all the effort that you put in